Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. You all know now I got the 10,000 subscribers 3 weeks ago. Then after that, I got one compliments and the one promote item. First thing I'm going to open my compliments because this viewer with me from my first subscriber until I'll get 10,000 always encourage me, always text me. If I do something wrong, always say this is not right, this is the thing right, whatever. I'll always listen to her. Even many viewers they are behind me because of them I came to this step. I follow this step. However, I'm going to open and show you what I get from her. Came with nice box. Wow, look at that. Bit handy, aren't you? If it handy, if it come like a 1 liter of 70 cl, bit handy. But however, really appreciate for this one. And also we'll see what's inside. Oh, look at that. Nice glass. Oh, wow. See? Charlie. And it has a nice, might be Mustang, like a beard or something. Yeah. Is it nice? Thanks, Lori. Really appreciate for your present. Also, I'm going to have it maybe tonight. No, I'm going to keep as a souvenir. I'm not going to use this one. Right. We'll see. This one came from China and they asked me to promote this one. We'll see what is inside there. Right. It came with instruction. You can see this is Bonnet Stopper for J11 Nissan Qashqai models. There is an instruction to install and it came with the shock. Nice design. Laminate guard, I think. I'm not sure. And it came with the fitting kits. I'll show you how we going to use this one. I'm not going to install, but I'll show you how we going to use this one because this one very useful. Many people mix up bonnet opener. First I'm going to open this bonnet and I'll show you. Everyone know we have the bonnet opener. It's here. After that we need to press this latch, and what we have to do, we have to take out this one and leave it here. That's the way we need to open this bonnet. However, if you fix this one, we can leave it this one as a temporary. Then once we open the bonnet, it will hold up like this. But however, I feel in this one very useful and it's very easy. Sometimes what happen, people install this one and forgetfully they try to close the bonnet, ending with this one little bit bending or snap, whatever. If you fix this one, you are going to avoiding your all problems. Right. If someone have a J11 model, I am happy to install this one free of charge. You need to come to the garage, then I will do the job. If you need to fix this one to your car free of charge, please comment below. You need this one. Then after 2 month period, I'll find out someone randomly and I'll contact and say, okay, you are the winner. You can come to the garage. Then you can fix this one free of charge. If you need, don't forget, comment below. I need it. Simple. Okay, thanks for watching. I want to introduce in this one and I want to show what I get for my 10,000 subscribe achievement. Nice one. See you in the next video.